Election to Goa Assembly, which is being held on 4th, is coming into the last phase. So far, Bharatiya Janata Party has done extensive election campaign, which has covered all the 36 constituencies where our candidates are directly contesting. It has also done campaign in the 2 other where we are supporting independent in Naveli, Affected and Furtado, and in Prior. Both these places we have done, our workers are active campaigning for the independent. We have supported. We have so far the national leaders, including Prime Minister Modi ji, has addressed more than 30 public meetings. Almost all public meetings received a very good response. As far as state leaders are concerned, Vinay Tendulkar ji, party president, Sripad ji, they are extensively touring the constituencies and holding small corner meetings. I think they, among Naren Savekar ji, they must have done somewhere around 200 to 250 corner meetings. From my own side, I have covered all the constituencies extensively, doing more than 200 corner meetings, plus addressing workers in addition to the corner meetings. We are receiving extremely good response. The connect people are showing very clearly indicates that people have taken the decision whom to vote, and we are very sure of achieving our target of 2/3 majority in the assembly. As far as issues are concerned, one of the most important issue is development of the state, and the state voters are convinced that development can be achieved because their past experience shows